Diesel engines are engineering marvels, built for efficiency, torque, and reliability. At the center of their performance is a component that rarely gets the attention it deserves: the fuel injection pump. Today, we're exploring the 221001C420 fuel injection pump, specifically compatible with Toyota Land Cruiser 151HD FTE engines. This pump is a cornerstone of diesel engine functionality, and understanding its role helps explain why diesel engines perform so consistently, even under extreme conditions. The fuel injection pump is responsible for drawing fuel from the tank, pressurizing it, and delivering it to the engine cylinders at precisely the right timing. Diesel engines rely on compression ignition, meaning that fuel ignites when injected into highly compressed, hot air, rather than through spark plugs. This makes accurate fuel delivery essential for engine efficiency, power output, and emissions control. The 221001C420 pump ensures that fuel reaches each cylinder with perfect timing and pressure, which directly affects performance and reliability. This specific pump is engineered to meet the exacting standards of Toyota Land Cruiser diesel engines, particularly the 151HD FTE models. These engines are known for their durability, off-road capability, and longevity. However, over time, fuel injection pumps can experience wear or reduced efficiency, leading to rough idling, sluggish acceleration, harder starts, and higher fuel consumption. Installing a high-quality replacement pump restores the engine's original performance, giving it back the precision and reliability it had when new. The engineering behind this pump is impressive. Internal components, including plungers and control valves, are manufactured with extreme precision to maintain consistent fuel flow and pressure. Modern pumps are designed not only for accurate fuel delivery but also to optimize fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. A quality fuel injection pump doesn't just replace a worn part, it enhances the overall performance of the engine, ensuring smooth operation and consistent power delivery. Installing a fuel injection pump requires careful attention. Proper alignment and calibration are essential for optimal engine timing. Any misalignment can negatively impact engine performance. When installed correctly, the difference is immediately noticeable. Engines idle more smoothly, throttle response improves, and acceleration feels more controlled. Vehicles that experienced uneven or rough performance will see significant improvement, and in some cases, the change can be dramatic. Durability is a critical factor in diesel engine components, and this pump is designed to last. The materials used in manufacturing can withstand high pressures and extreme temperatures, which is especially important for Land Cruisers used in off-road or commercial applications. Reliability under harsh conditions ensures minimal downtime and long-term confidence in engine performance. Consistent fuel delivery also reduces wear on other critical engine components. Accurate fuel pressure reduces stress on injectors, combustion chambers, and timing mechanisms. This ensures the engine operates efficiently while extending its overall lifespan. Proactively replacing a fuel injection pump helps prevent small issues from escalating into major, costly repairs. Signs that a fuel injection pump may need replacement include rough idling, reduced engine power, difficulty starting, excess exhaust smoke, and sudden drops in fuel efficiency. Addressing these issues promptly with a high-quality replacement pump restores engine reliability and performance. The 221001C420 model is engineered to match or exceed OEM specifications, providing compatibility and long-term performance for Land Cruiser diesel engines. Beyond functionality, replacing a fuel injection pump is an opportunity to better understand diesel engine mechanics. Observing how fuel delivery influences engine performance can be educational, especially for enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on work and want to optimize engine efficiency. Proper installation and maintenance of a fuel injection pump ensure maximum engine longevity and reliability. From a cost perspective, investing in a high-quality replacement pump is a smart choice. Waiting too long can lead to more severe engine problems that are costly to repair. Installing a reliable fuel injection pump maintains accurate fuel delivery, protects other engine components, and ensures the vehicle runs efficiently. The result is a smoother, more dependable driving experience, whether on highways, off-road trails, or in demanding work environments.